Dumplings are more than just food. They're a taste of home. For many, the aroma of dumplings cooking brings back memories of family gatherings, childhood meals, and cherished moments shared around the table. Making dumplings at home and at factories has a few differences. You can see how hygienically they are handling the cut veggies, so they will be cleanly chopped in various sizes later. Just imagine if all of that bulk process was supposed to be handled by manual labor, it wouldn't have been this easy. Here comes the meat and rest of the ingredients getting chopped, minced, and mixed in the huge industrial mixers. This is also one of the finest and satisfying technologies that one can ever see in the food factories. That's perfectly ready. So the dedicated hopper would be filled with this filling material to make the dumpling process way easier. Here, the machines ensure that the dough is thoroughly kneaded without lumps. The divided dough will be filled with equal portions of the filling. These portions are usually measured precisely to ensure that each dumpling gets an equal filling for a uniform process. After the filling is added, the dumplings are sealed shut. This is done by those latest automated machines. This automated and efficient process allows factories to produce large quantities of dumplings while maintaining the traditional taste and quality. Throughout the production process, quality checks are conducted to ensure that the dumplings meet the company's standards and customers' needs. Now, here is the time they need to cook the dumplings partially and make them half ready for you. Once steamed, they got frozen right away to preserve their natural qualities. As soon as the dumplings are made and checked for quality via different machines and detectors, they are packaged for distribution. As you know, the dumplings can be cooked in various ways: steamed, boiled, or fried. Factories often use large steamers or boiling units to cook dumplings in bulk and basically half-cooked. This will save you a lot of hassle when your guests are waiting for their meal. You just have to cook these dumplings partially, and they are ready to serve. This could involve placing them in trays or bags, sealing them, and labeling them with product information and expiration dates. The boxes are kept in a temperature-controlled environment to maintain their quality until they reach the consumer. How can we resist those delicious, warm, juicy cup noodles, especially when you can have them instantly and wherever you want? In dedicated factories, those noodles get steamed and instantly fried to preserve their flavors, yet make them ready for anyone, anywhere. They quickly gain popularity worldwide due to their convenience, affordability, and long shelf life. Cup instant noodles became especially popular among college students, campers, and individuals looking for quick meals. Here, those dried veggies are getting chopped and ready to be later packed within every cup. Now comes the chicken and then the sauces, so you can have every bit of deliciousness whenever you want. Oreo ice cream is not only delicious, but also refreshing, making it the perfect treat to enjoy on a hot day. Oreo ice cream continues to be beloved by people of all ages, and that rich chocolate dip is one of the most satisfying clips of this video. Once all the ice creams are ready, they will be packed and frozen right away. The cold, creamy texture of the ice cream paired with the crunchy bits of Oreo cookies provides a satisfying contrast that is both luscious and refreshing at the same time. Bottled juices are highly portable, which is an ideal choice for people with busy lifestyles, or those who need a quick energy boost while on the move. While fresh juices are often praised for their high nutritional content, factory-made bottled juices can also provide essential vitamins and minerals. Pocky is not only popular in Japan, but also has a significant following worldwide. It is sold in over 30-plus countries and regions, including the United States and various countries across Asia and Europe. While chocolate is the most well-known flavor of Pocky, the snack comes in a wide variety of flavors, including strawberry, matcha green tea, and more. Here are some satisfying yet efficient clips from the company that show how brilliant the whole process is. Pocky sticks are not only delicious, but also fun to eat. As soon as the sticks are mechanically cut, they are perfectly ready for further processing, which involves that rich and creamy chocolate we all crave. That thin layer of chocolate is just enough to complement the biscuit without overwhelming it, allowing the biscuit's flavor and texture to shine through while still providing an amazing chocolate experience. Remember when you and your friends shared Pocky after school, or tried new flavors during family movie nights? Pocky brings back those happy memories and makes each bite extra special with its nostalgic taste. I'm not going to tell you how mango juice is made in factories. It's obvious they take the ripened mangoes, boiled, smashed, and extract juice. But the real thing lies in the selection of mangoes. Perhaps the most satisfying thing about industrial mixers is the way they streamline the manufacturing process, saving time, labor, and resources while ensuring consistency and quality. Well, that looks satisfying, and the material can be done within a few minutes, unlike manual processes. That's a wrap for today, but our flavorful journey isn't over yet. If you want to watch more videos like these, you can find us here.